Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I have a recipe for you, Gajar ka halwa. It's a sweet dish made by carrots. So let's begin. So I'm gonna start by adding carrots. This is about 3 pounds of carrot. I've peeled and grated them in the food processor. So I'm gonna add this to my bowl. So I'm going to cook this on a medium heat until all the water is dried up from the carrot. So my heat is on, and to this I'm going to add butter and sugar, which I have about a quarter cup of butter, and I also have about a quarter cup of coconut oil. And about a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, and about a cup and a half of sugar. Everything is going to go in. We're going to cook it until the water is dried up. Butter, sugar, and cardamom powder into the carrots, and I'm mixing it. And then it's going to cook for at least good 20 minutes or more. And at this point right now I'm going to add my Kewra water, about a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. And we're going to cook this on low heat until all the water is dried up. And you can see how much water carrots have released already, and so we have to dry this all. It's going to take about a half an hour or so. Now that the water has dried, I have about a cup of ricotta cheese that I'm going to add. And we're going to cook this another 10 minutes. Now that all the water is drained and ricotta cheese is mixed in there, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of butter, and then we'll dish it out. Our Gajar halwa is ready, and I'm gonna put it in a serving dish. And we can garnish. Here we go.